Hey everyone, how's it going? And happy Thanksgiving. In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Godzilla versus a turkey titan. So I hope you all have a great Thanksgiving and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Godzilla versus a turkey titan, let's begin with the turkey titan. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to start by making a line that's just going to go down, and that's going to come back in a check mark for the top of the eye. Then we're going to bring this down and then up. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up and over. And then we're going to bring this up and make it kind of bumpy. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down to a point, and then we're going to bring this back. Then we're going to bring this down for the beak. I'm going to bring this line down and then up here. Then let's curve a line that's going to come out and then back for the tongue of the turkey titan. And we'll bring this line up for the other side of the beak. Next, let's bring this line in and then up here to finish off that beak. We're going to make a little line down with a little dot in here for the nose. Then let's add some sharp little teeth in here. And we'll put a little line here for some detail. Next, let's make kind of like a bumpy line for the little gobble of the turkey, and we're just going to bring this up here. And we're going to bring this line down. And we're going to make some little lines that are just going to kind of curve down here. Next, we're going to bring some lines that are just going to kind of go down and up here for the neck of our turkey titan. And we're just going to bring some more lines down here and connect them. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a big line. It's just going to come back and then towards here. And we're going to put another one here. And then we're just going to make some little lines across to make it kind of look like they're these big spiky horns. Next, let's make a little line down here with some feathers. And then let's work on the wings. I want to begin by making a line that's just going to come back here, and then we're going to angle it back. Another one, we're going to bring this here. And then we're going to bring this over. We're going to make some long, sharp claws on here. We'll do another one here and bring it up. And then we're just going to make some more kind of like pointy, feathery shapes on here. And then we'll make some little lines that go up and down to make these look like actual claws. And I like to add some extra lines on there. Do the same thing here, kind of bring this line down. We're going to bring this line over. We're going to come down to a point. And then we're going to make a couple more little points here. We're going to kind of curve that up. Then we're going to bring some points back here and a little broken line. We're going to add some little claws on here and a couple little extra lines. I'm going to bring this line down here. Then we're going to bring a line down. I'm going to make it kind of jagged here to make it look like where the feathers would be. And then we're going to work on the legs. We're going to angle this line down, and then we're going to bring it back here. We're going to make a big claw, and then another big claw that comes down here. We're going to bring this up and make another really big claw and angle it up. We're going to put some little curves on here and then some extra little lines. And I like to add extra lines coming across here for more detail. We're going to do another one here. Going to bring this down with these little points. Bring this down and then angle it over. Bring this down to a point and then another one down to a point. We're going to bring this up with a claw and then up here. Put some little curves on here. And then we're going to do some more little broken lines across here with another little claw. Then we're going to make some points come back here to kind of shape out the body. And then I'm going to add some small little spikes right along the back here. And some little spikes kind of up here. Kind of give our little turkey titan a little bit more armor. Now let's work on his tail feathers back here. So let's start here, and we're going to make a line that's going to come up to a point and then down. And we're just going to kind of continue this up here. We're going to make all these lines that just kind of come up to points. And then we're going to make some over here too. I'm going to make these go off the paper just because it's going to be pretty big. So some of these designs are just going to have to go off the paper, sadly. Then we're just going to make some lines that just kind of go down and up. And we're just going to do this all the way across here, and then we wouldn't see any over here. So we've got our basic design of our turkey titan. Let's just kind of add some fun details. Let's make a line that's going to come up and down just for kind of like the eyebrow. And then a couple little lines underneath here. We're going to make some extra little lines over here. And then we're just going to make some little lines kind of coming out of here. Make some little lines here, and then a few little extra lines here. And then some broken lines down here, and a few little lines on the face. We can make some little lines kind of coming down the middle of the turkey feathers. And then some extra little lines kind of right around here. So there's our basic shape of our turkey titan. We got some fun details on here. Now let's add the big guy on here, Godzilla, and we're going to put him over here. So starting here, I'm going to begin with the eye. So I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then we're going to bring this back. Then I'm going to bring this line over and up for the eye. Bring this line up, and we're going to bring it back and then down for the head. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and we're going to curve it down, and we're going to bring this back for the mouth. Then we're going to curve this down here, and we're going to go down, and then bring this up to here. Let's curve this line for the back of the mouth. And then let's add some sharp teeth in here on the top and on the bottom. We'll add some lines back here. Then we'll add a little line coming down for the nose. We'll add a couple lines here and then a couple lines coming down here. Next, we're going to bring some lines that come down here. And then for the neck, we're just going to bring some lines that are going to kind of go down and then up here. We're going to kind of make it look like they're almost getting ready to engage in battle. So starting here, I'm going to curve a line down. I'm going to bring this line down and then over for the arm. I'm going to bring this line down and in and then over for kind of like the chest. We're going to bring this line down and we're going to curve it down with some points. And then curve it up for the hand. Then we're going to bring this over. Next, we're going to bring this line down. And we're going to bring this line down to a point and up. And then we're going to make some little claws on the hand of Godzilla. And then we're going to bring this up here. We're going to make some little lines go right across here. And we'll put some extra lines on here just for some wrinkles. Next, we're going to bring some lines that come down here. We're going to bring a line that's going to come down and then in. And then over here, we're just going to bring a line that's going to come down and in here. We'll make some little lines across, and then we're going to make some lines that come down and then over for his toes. Same thing here, make some lines, we're just going to go down and then bring them over for some of his toes. We're going to bring this up, and we're going to bring this up, and then we're just going to curve a line down here. I'm going to bring this line up here. Next, we're just going to bring this line over to here. And we're going to draw this line back to here for the tail. Next, let's add some curved lines onto Godzilla's toes. Then we're going to bring some little lines coming down and some little lines up. And we're going to make some little curved lines kind of coming down here just to kind of give it some texture. And we'll take these all the way across to here. And then even some lines here and then some lines up here. And we're going to bring some lines across. And then we're going to bring some lines across here too. Next on the knees, we're going to make these little kind of wrinkle lines all around here. And then some more kind of broken lines coming across here just for some detail on our Godzilla body. And then even some lines that kind of come up and down too, just to give it a little bit more detail. Next on here, we're going to make some pointy spikes on here, or for his dorsal plates, or dorsal fins. And we're going to put a couple more right here. Next, we're going to make some on this side too, because it's kind of like Godzilla's body is turning. That's why some of the angles are a little off. We're going to put these all across here, and just want to add some different size spikes on here. I'm going to even put a couple more layers of these on here. And then we're just going to add some little lines kind of coming down here. With some more lines up here. And then just a few little extra lines on Godzilla's face and on his body for some different details.
And there you go, there is your drawing of Godzilla versus a Turkey Titan.
I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. bye.